This is a presentation on color schemes. One of the things that you may have noticed in assignment 12 was the change in coloration between the primary example and what I came up with when showing you how to get through all of the stages in Illustrator. This is because I was using a new color scheme that I made up on the spot. What if you were trying to match an existing color scheme? What if it was important to match the colors from the original? If you are in business as a graphic designer, you will find that clients have some pretty exacting specification when it comes to color. There's a whole study of this, and it's called color theory. So, here's the original version that I created the line sketch from. Notice how even the closest color in the foreground is not black? Remember how I asked you if you were to add something in the foreground of your version and make it stand out? Well, this is how you might do that. Change all of the colors back to the way that they were in the original. Here's my version. Colors are very different. Although I like my sky a lot better, I think that the horizon from the original was way better. So how would you go about changing things? So if you take the layering number system that I came up with during the last presentation and then apply it to the two versions, you can create a color scheme table that would tell you what each one was in each version. Here again are the two versions side by side. And here's a color table that shows you the various layer areas and the colors in both versions. Down the center is a description of the layer and what it's called in my Illustrator example. On the left and right sides of the respective color swatches, you can see a 6-digit number. This number corresponds with a color. This system is called the hexadecimal system. Hex meaning 6, and decimal, of course, is the number of digits, or a 6-digit system. This is one of the many ways of identifying colors. The two simplest colors are white, which is 6 Fs, and black, which is 6 zeros. The hexadecimal system is probably the easiest system to keep track of because you only have the pound sign plus 6 numbers. For example, in the RGB system, white is R255, G255, and B255, while black is R0, G0, and B0. In the CMYK system, white is C0, Y0, M0, and K0. On the other hand, black is C75, M68, Y67, and K90. Now each color system has its purpose. RGB is primarily used in photography, CMYK for printing, and the hexadecimal system is used for web graphics and computer applications. Want to know more about this? Take my color theory class, which is a requirement for the GRA certificate. All for now.